Welcome. In this lesson, I want to talk about IaC, infrastructure as a code, versus config management, a configuration management. There seems to be a big confusion between these two terms. In order to better understand, we will go through this comparison between IaC and configuration management. I am very much hopeful after we just gone through spending few minutes, we will have this confusion all clears up. So, in order to understand between IaC and config management, we need to talk about tools like Terraform, Ansible, Chef, and Puppet. So right away, Terraform is not a configuration management tool. It creates, or we call this creation as a provision, the resource, and this resource can be anything, a VM or a server, anything. It creates this resource, this server, but it does not and should not, that is the bold point, it should not install any software on it. So Terraform should just provision the server. It should not do anything. Then it should hand over to the configuration management tools. Terraform just make sure that your desired state of your infrastructure defined in the configuration files, this desired state matches the actual current or running state of your infrastructure. That is all. So Terraform you only use to create or provision a resource. After that, Terraform work is done. Now it comes to the configuration management tools. All these Chef, Ansible, and Puppet, they are all configuration management tools. What this means that once a resource is come to them, they will take this resource and they will install the software on it. So this is the job of a configuration management tool, to manage the configuration within the resource. Terraform is off the resource. Configuration management tools manage inside the resource. And all these tools are open source, and particularly we are talking about Ansible. In this course, we will heavily talk about Ansible, because Ansible, like same Terraform, is an agent-less tool, and all it requires is the SSH, access to the target resource, target server, and then it will manage all the configurations of the software inside it. So I hope there is a clear difference. Now you can see the IaC is not configuration management tool. Terraform is an infrastructure as a code tool, which is responsible and should be used to create the resource. All these configuration management tools should be used to install software in those